This is a quick introduction to using indexes within the Sentencing Guidelines application for Android. From the bottom of any index, you see a small control which allows you to change the index from its default setting A to Z through to by page, by Act of Parliament, or by group. You can also configure your preferred default within the preferences. So within preferences, if you prefer to use sorting by A to Z, or you prefer or are generally using adult court, you can therefore customize your preferred books and pronouncements and offence index from here. These other figures are to do with the fine calculator for default costs and for relevant weekly income, employed 400 and on benefits 110, and a rounding option as well. So just back on our index, we've now selected sort by A to Z, and as we begin to scroll through that list of offences, you can see a small blue indicator appear at the side of the index, and that's an accelerator for you to run down the indexes. So if you grab hold of that, you can start to jump quickly down by letter through that index. So that's a quick way to jump to a particular section within the offence index. So just for repetition, if we look at explanatory material, again, as we start to scroll through these, you see that little helper pop up on the index, and this helps you to just jump through that index a little bit quicker. So back on indexes, and finally, just for repetition, clicking a star will make that offence a favourite, and they then appear within the favourites popover, which displays those offences in the order that you've clicked those stars. So these are the last two we've just added to our list of favourites. And again, we have a little control here that helps you to jump from favourite offences to any other favourites you've added inside the application. So that's a quick introduction to using the indexes. You have offence description, Act of Parliament, page number, which is in large print, and you've got that little tab or colour swatch which matches that within your offence guidelines. That's a quick introduction to using the offence indexes.